Hi, in today's video, we're going to show you how to add a new user to a client tenant in a multi-tenant environment. This video is for managed service providers. When you log in to your environment, your MSP name and logo should be up here, and the current tenant you're looking at is here. So the first job is to figure out what that tenant is doing for user management so you can take the necessary step to add the user. So you would just click on the double click buttons here and switch to whatever company you want. We're already the company we want here. We're Acme Corp. And the next step is to go to the user tab. And you'll notice there are three ways to manage users in the user tab. First thing you'll do is look at type. If it's local, that means they're adding users either through a CSV file or one at a time. And to add a single user to a client, you just click on the Add User button, fill out the first name, last name, email address, select the manager from the list or add them manually if they don't exist yet. So there are two bits of information you need whenever you're adding a user locally: the employee's full name, first and last, and email, and the manager's full name. Then you would put them into the default group and click Add User, and you would be done for that client. Now, if it's a CSV file because you're adding multiple people, you can download a sample CSV file. You can export the current list. This is often useful for sending to a customer to say, hey, it's been a few months. Can you just verify that no one was missed being added to CyberHoot training, or there's no one that's left that is still in CyberHoot training, dropping your compliance metrics. And then finally, you can upload a CSV, which is nothing more than 6 columns: first name, last name, email address of the employee, first name, last name, email address in columns D, E, and F of the manager, the employee's manager, and then any group definitions that you want. Now, all of this assumes you're doing local management. There is also Azure Sync. And if you see Azure here in this list, you will want to add the user into the Microsoft Azure group that is being replicated and listed under the user groups here. You'll see group names, and it'll have an Azure group name that you will need to find in their Azure environment. Adding them there will automatically synchronize to CyberHoot once every 4 hours, and that user will get the welcome message, any active assignments in the order that they launch, starting with the CyberHoot Foundational 6 videos, followed by any monthly trainings and any active phishing assignments, as well actually as policies and anything else that is scheduled to go out. So there you have it. I hope this helps.